Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 anti-inflammatory foods you should be eating daily to boost your health and reduce inflammation. You hear it everywhere you turn, reduce inflammation. But what does that even mean? Inflammation is a natural process your body uses to protect itself from injury and infection. Think about when you accidentally cut yourself. The area around the cut gets red, swollen, and tender. That's inflammation at work, guys. But here's the thing. Chronic inflammation, where your body's stuck in this constant state of high alert, that's where things get messy. It can contribute to a whole bunch of health problems like heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and even Alzheimer's disease. So what can we do about it? Let's talk about how to fight back with food. First up, we've got turmeric, the golden child of anti-inflammatory foods. You know, I love my turmeric lattes. This vibrant yellow spice, a staple in Indian cuisine, gets its superpowers from a compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant with major anti-inflammatory properties. It works by targeting specific molecules involved in the inflammatory process. Think of it like this. Curcumin swoops in and calms down those overactive inflammatory pathways in your body. Studies have shown that curcumin can be as effective as some anti-inflammatory medications in treating certain conditions. We're talking about reducing joint pain in people with osteoarthritis, easing symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis, and even improving symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease. Now, here's a pro tip. Curcumin is best absorbed by the body when paired with black pepper. So next time you're cooking with turmeric, add a pinch of black pepper or look for supplements that combine both. Remember, incorporating turmeric into your diet is easy and delicious. You can add it to smoothies, soups, stews, or even just sprinkle it on roasted vegetables for an extra health boost. Soothing cup of ginger tea. Let's talk about berries, those colorful and delicious little powerhouses. We're talking blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, the whole gang's here. Berries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and also have amazing anti-inflammatory effects. These antioxidants work by protecting your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Studies have linked berry consumption to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. They're also great for brain health, which is why I always say berries are brain food. So make it a habit to include a variety of berries in your diet. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal. Now, let's dive into the world of fatty fish. We're talking salmon, mackerel, tuna, sardines, all those delicious and nutritious fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are essential fats that our bodies need but can't produce on their own, so we have to get them through our diet. These healthy fats have powerful anti-inflammatory effects and play a crucial role in reducing chronic inflammation. Studies have shown that omega-3s can help lower blood pressure, reduce triglycerides, and decrease the risk of heart disease. They're also beneficial for brain health, reducing inflammation throughout the body. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your diet per week. You can grill them, bake them, or even enjoy them canned. Next up is a cruciferous vegetable that deserves a standing ovation: broccoli. This green superhero is packed with nutrients, including a special compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that works by inhibiting enzymes involved in inflammation. It's like a fire extinguisher, putting out those inflammatory fires in your body. Studies have shown that sulforaphane may help protect against cancer, heart disease, and even neurodegenerative diseases. It's also great for detoxification and supporting your overall health. So load up on broccoli. You can enjoy it steamed, roasted, or even raw as a snack with hummus. Let's move on to a beverage that's been enjoyed for centuries for its health benefits: green tea. This soothing drink is loaded with antioxidants, including a powerful compound called epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. EGCG is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that works by inhibiting the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. It's like a peacekeeper, calming down those overactive inflammatory responses. Studies have shown that green tea consumption is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. It's also great for boosting brain function and protecting your cells from damage. So make it a habit to sip on green tea throughout the day. You can enjoy it hot or cold, and you can even find decaffeinated varieties if you're sensitive to caffeine. Now let's talk about avocados, those creamy and delicious fruits that are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. They're a staple in my diet, and for good reason. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. They're also a good source of antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids, which help fight inflammation throughout the body. Studies have shown that avocado consumption is linked to a reduced risk of metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. They're also great for skin health, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. So add avocados to your salads, sandwiches, or even enjoy them mashed on toast with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Let's add some spice to our list with peppers, those vibrant and flavorful vegetables that come in a rainbow of colors. We're talking bell peppers, chili peppers, jalapenos, the whole family. Peppers are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and quercetin, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. They also contain a compound called capsaicin, which gives them their heat and has been shown to reduce inflammation and pain. Studies have shown that capsaicin can be effective in relieving pain from arthritis, muscle soreness, and even nerve pain. It works by reducing the number of pain signals that are sent to the brain. So, spice up your life with peppers. Add them to stir-fries, soup, salsas, or even enjoy them roasted with a drizzle of olive oil. Now, let's explore the world of mushrooms, those fascinating fungi that are packed with nutrients and have been used for centuries in traditional medicine. We're talking shiitake, maitake, reishi, and many more. Mushrooms contain compounds called polysaccharides, which have potent anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting effects. They work by modulating the immune system and reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals. Studies have shown that certain mushrooms, such as shiitake and maitake, can enhance immune function, reduce inflammation, and even have anti-cancer properties. They're also a good source of B vitamins, selenium, and copper. So, incorporate a variety of mushrooms into your diet. You can sauté them, grill them, add them to soups, or even enjoy them as a meat alternative in burgers and tacos. Last but not least, let's talk about olive oil, a staple in the Mediterranean diet and a true kitchen essential. This liquid gold is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse for reducing inflammation. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. It also contains a compound called oleocanthal, which has similar anti-inflammatory effects as ibuprofen. Studies have shown that olive oil consumption is linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. It's also great for brain health, skin health, and reducing inflammation throughout the body. So make olive oil your go-to oil for cooking and dressing your salads. Choose extra virgin olive oil, which is the least processed and contains the highest levels of antioxidants. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and information. Let us know in the comments which of these anti-inflammatory foods you already include in your diet. Remember, incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into your daily routine can make a big difference in reducing inflammation and improving your overall health. As always, consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major dietary changes, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Stay healthy, everyone.